Welcome to our healthy eating and wellness journey. In today's video, we're exploring the top 12 healthiest foods that are both low in carbs and free from added sugars. Whether you're following a low-carb diet, managing diabetes, or just aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these nutrient-rich foods will quickly become staples in your kitchen. From crunchy veggies to protein-packed options, we'll reveal a variety of delicious choices that will satisfy your taste buds and support your health goals. Stick around as we unveil these 12 carb-free, sugar-free superstars that will elevate your meals and keep you feeling energized and nourished. Let's dive in. Leafy greens. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, lettuce, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses with minimal carbs and sugar. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these vibrant greens support overall well-being, weight management, and blood sugar control. Adding leafy greens to your diet not only boosts flavor and texture but also lays a nutrient-rich foundation for a healthy lifestyle. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Broccoli. Number 2 is broccoli, a true nutritional powerhouse with high fiber content and abundant nutrients. Ideal for low-carb diets, broccoli supports overall health, aids digestion, and promotes satiety. Its versatility allows it to shine in a range of dishes, from steaming and roasting to stir-fries and salads. Including broccoli in your meals is a delicious and satisfying way to meet your nutritional needs while maintaining a low-carb lifestyle. Cauliflower. At number 3, cauliflower is a versatile vegetable perfect for low-carb diets. It can replace rice or mashed potatoes and provides a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Whether riced, mashed, or roasted, cauliflower adds bulk and satisfaction to your meals without extra carbohydrates. It's a nutritious and adaptable ingredient that fits well into a low-carb eating plan. Cucumber. Coming in at number 4, cucumber is a hydrating and low-carb option with a refreshing crunch and high water content. Its crisp texture makes it a great addition to salads, snacks, or even infused water. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, cucumbers help keep you hydrated and add a burst of freshness to your diet. Zucchini. Number 5 is zucchini, a versatile low-carb vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes or spiralized into a pasta alternative. With its mild flavor and adaptable texture, zucchini serves as a great substitute for higher carb options like pasta. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, zucchini supports a low-carb lifestyle and overall well-being. Bell peppers. Moving on to number 6, bell peppers stand out with their vibrant colors and crisp texture. They're low in carbs and packed with essential vitamins. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants, bell peppers support immune function and skin health. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or sautéed for a flavorful and nutritious addition to your meals. Avocados. Number 7 is avocados, a nutritional powerhouse that provides healthy fats while being low in carbohydrates and sugar. With their creamy texture and high content of monounsaturated fats and fiber, avocados contribute to heart health and satiety. Whether sliced, mashed into guacamole, or blended into smoothies, avocados offer a deliciously versatile way to enhance your diet. Tomatoes. At number 8, tomatoes are relatively low in carbohydrates and can be enjoyed in moderation. They add vibrant flavor and nutrients to your meals, whether sliced in salads, blended into sauces, or roasted. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering a tangy taste and contributing to a balanced diet. Mushrooms. Number 9 is mushrooms, which boast low levels of both carbohydrates and sugar. Their unique umami flavor and meaty texture make them a great addition to various dishes. Whether sautéed, grilled, or stuffed, mushrooms add depth and richness while providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eggs. At number 10, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein and healthy fats while being naturally free of carbs and sugar. They offer essential nutrients and are versatile in cooking, whether scrambled, poached, or boiled. Incorporating eggs into your meals supports muscle repair and overall health. Salmon. Number 11 is salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein while being a healthy low-carb option. This flavorful fish supports heart health and brain function. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon pairs well with various herbs and spices, adding a deliciously savory element to your diet. Chicken breast. Finally, number 12 is chicken breast. Known for its lean profile and versatility, it's a low-carb, low-sugar option when prepared without added sauces or coatings. Packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients, chicken breast supports muscle maintenance and overall health. Whether grilled, baked, or sautéed, it offers endless possibilities in cooking. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top 12 healthiest foods that are carb-free and sugar-free. From nutrient-packed leafy greens to protein-rich chicken breast, these options provide delicious and satisfying ways to support your health goals while maintaining a low-carb lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future content. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into maintaining your well-being. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.